Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 10, and its title is No Bullying. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form, and as you can follow it as or you can modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So our today's lecture number 8, we will learn under the title of writing. We will learn how we can write a narrative paragraph. So my dear students and my dear teachers, already before in English for grade 7 we have learned already how we can write a paragraph, how we can organize a paragraph according to its different parts. So today we are going to learn further write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So today we are going to learn about this SLO. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 177, and to be firm and patient in pain or suffering and difficulty and throughout all periods of panic. This beautiful verse is telling us that if you are facing any difficulty, if you are facing suffering from pain, so you should be patient. That we should not lose our hope, we should not lose our faith, that if something is happening, so it is due to Allah's will. So we have to be firm faith on it, okay? So yes, my dear teachers, what you have to do, you have to say to your students to share their most inspiring event of life. Say to students that they should share that what is inspiring event in their life. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Excellent. So let's see what is a narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraphs tell a story. The story is usually from your own personal experience, an event that happened to someone else, or a historical event. So my dear students, narrative paragraph can be in different ways. In this we can also face personal experiences, any event that happened to anyone else when we are describing that event, and any historical event that is related to our history when we are describing it. So this is called a narrative paragraph. So how we can write a narrative paragraph? We can write it into different shapes, same as we are writing a paragraph. Like first we include an event, set the scene briefly, means how a paragraph is there and how we can get it into different ways, okay? So this is called a narrative paragraph, and its first setting when we are going to describe any event. Next is how we can describe the event. Provide baseline information, describe characters, your feelings. Suppose how any event took place and how we can inform about it. How we can describe its characters, how and what do you feel while these happenings met in your life. So then that we describe step by step. And the next is we go into details, help the reader to connect with your narrative. So we go in detail, we write in detail about the topic that we are writing. So we get its details, what happened step by step, that how we can connect our reader through our writing. And the next is talk about what you learned and share what you got from the experience. After that we have to talk that what we have learned and which type of experience we got through all these happenings. So in this way, my dear students, we can write a narrative paragraph. So now we are moving towards an activity. Let's see that how you can write a narrative paragraph. What you have to do, yes, my dear teacher, I am giving you, my dear students, I am giving you some hints that how you will write, how you will perform this activity. Like it was a very special day of my life when 4th grade result was announced. There was a happening that there was a result ceremony at your school, and that was your 4th grade final result ceremony, and you have to discuss about it. I have given you topic sentence. Next you can write its supporting details, and next you will write its concluding sentence. So pause the video and share your narrative in a shape of a paragraph. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have discussed and you have written. On page number 86, there is a question number 10. Have you ever been bullied by someone at your school? What did you do about it? Did your friend, class fellow help you? Write a paragraph about it. So this is your individual activity in your class. You have to perform it in your notebook. So pause the video and get this activity in your class. Welcome back, my dear students and my dear teachers. I hope you have done it. And what's your homework? You write a paragraph, a memorable day of your life in your notebook. So you will write a paragraph about a memorable day that you cannot forget. Yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that they might be able to write a narrative paragraph. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about paragraphs. We also came to know that paragraphs are with different types. We got knowledge about narrative paragraph and its information, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So I hope, my dear students, now you have got that how we can narrate, how we can write our different experiences and our different events that we met in our life, how we can describe them in the shape of a narrative paragraph. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.